तुमचो अध्यक्ष म्हणटा की आमी सगळे कडेन कॉन्टेस्ट करतले, सगळे कडेन स्ट्रेंथन करतले पार्टी. ताजेर आम आदमी पार्टीचो अध्यक्ष म्हणटा की तस जाल्यार आमी सेपरेट वतले, मागीर तुमी जाय जाल्यार वचूं. हें जेन्ना चलता पळय, आतां तुमी म्हणत की आख्या ग्रँड स्टँडींग बी तुमी म्हणटले, बट तुमचे कडच्यान जेन्ना अशी स्टेटमेंट येता, तुमी सारकें सांगलें आसता 7 जाण, ते 7 जाणच जेन्ना अशी एकमेकाक शिंगां आपटी तेन्ना आमकां दिश्टी पडटात. लोकां तकली एक दुबाव तयार जाता न्ही.
Amit Patkar was very clear in his statement. He said that we are strengthening the Congress party in 40 constituencies. Amka gor shiwpak jaye. Gor shiwta asतना amka, you look at, for example, the way we have presence all across the 40 constituencies. The blocks felt, everyone felt. The right call at the right time. Before the election, we are 2.5 years before, but we are preparing. We have to act time. Akadista ki before the election, the party high command will take the right call in the interest of the state. We are victims of divisive politics. I'm being very clear. In 2022, because the votes were divided, because the opposition votes were divided, we could not form the government.
Opposition divided its vote. Who divided opposition's votes?
Exactly. So I am trying to say that as the principal opposition party, our role is to strengthen every political party will strengthen its base. Our party president is working in the interest of the party.